Hi everyone, let's solve this question. It is given in the problem. In common emitter amplifier, load resistance is how much? कितना दिया आपको? Load resistance 10 ohm. That is load resistance. Whenever it is saying 10 ohm, that is load resistance. It means output resistance is 10 ohm and the input resistance is 1 ohm. It is mentioned in the problem. Change in the collector current, how much? Delta IC. Change in the collector current is 8 milliampere. And the change in the base current, delta IB, how much? 2 milliampere. You need to calculate, find the voltage gain in the common emitter amplifier. So voltage gain, how much? Voltage gain is equal to current gain CC into the what? RL, output resistance upon input resistance. Clear? So first of all we will calculate what is the current gain. In the current gain कितना होता है? Common emitter amplifier में beta is the current gain which is equal to the what? You are making the emitter to be the common. So voltage कितना होगा? Beta is the current gain, that is delta IC upon delta IB, which is equal to alpha upon 1 minus alpha. अल्फा आपको पता ही है, अल्फा क्या होता है? करंट गेन इन द कॉमन बेस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. डेल्टा आईसी इज हाउ मच? 8 मिली एम्पियर एंड द डेल्टा आईबी कितना दिया आपको? 2 मिली एम्पियर. सो इट विल बी 4. सो वोल्टेज गेन विल बी हाउ मच? 4 मल्टीप्लाई आउटपुट रेजिस्टेंस 10 upon 1, that is 40 volt. I hope this clear your doubt. So once again, thank you so much. If you have any query, you can ask me personally. Voltage gain is 40 volt. Thanks a lot.